2005 Ford F250 extended cab long bed Harley Davidson diesel, fully equipped. It's got the audio controls and everything on the steering wheel, fog lights, leather interior, power sliding rear window, which is very nice, automatic temperature control, moonroof, automatic dimming rear view mirror, and extremely clean. It's black outside, black inside. It's got the Power Stroke diesel in it. It's got a brand new tires as well. Definitely a gorgeous truck. Also sitting in the back is the it's like a tonneau cover that rolls up. It's a hard metal. It's called roll and lock. Really cool. This one has the bed liner inside as well. Thanks for checking us out today. My name is Michael from WeBe Autos. If you have any questions, just give us a buzz. And we're at 516-729-2003. Thanks a lot and have a great day.